Hi everybody, welcome to Washington Heights. This beautiful morning, I'll be showing you an amazing got renovated one-bedroom apartment in a pre-war building that is a walk-up. Let's walk around. We are in the foyer. And as you can see, this apartment got hardwood floors, high ceilings, pocket lights, new kitchen, new bathroom, new everything. To our right, we are going to see the first closet. This one is half shelved, half unshelved. To our left, the eating kitchen. This kitchen got new appliances, all stainless steel, granite, and a dishwasher. If we keep walking, then we'll see the living area. This apartment gets plenty of light everywhere. This is a marble bath. Marble everywhere. To our left, another closet, also with shelves. And then, last but not least, the bedroom. Very spacious and luminous. This bedroom also has a closet. Like the other one, is half shelved, half unshelved. This building is few blocks away from the Columbia Medical Center and the New York Presbyterian Hospital. If you have any questions about this place, please just let us know. We'll be very happy to assist you. My name is Adribel Ruiz, and thank you so much for taking time and watching this video. Enjoy the rest of your day.